Welcome to this tutorial. In this tutorial, I'll show you how you can view your story archive. So in order to view all the stories that have been archived, three horizontal lines present at the top right corner of your screen. Then once you have clicked here, click on the settings gear icon. Then under the settings and privacy page, you need to scroll down until you find this option which says activity log. Click on the activity log option. And in this option, you can see the archive button right here. Click on this archive button, and under the archive page, you can see this story archive button. Click on the story archive button and it will list out all of those sent to the archive folder or those stories which have been archived. I do not have any story that have been archived, so it is showing me empty, but in your case it might show all of those stories which have been archived. So that's it for this video. I'll see you in the next one. If you like this video, make sure to hit the like button as well, comment on this video, share it, and don't forget to subscribe to our channel. Thank you for watching and have a nice day.